Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something special manufactured in South Korea for the US market. This is Pink Rocket. Look at that. Pink Rocket. And if you notice here, it's not just Pink Rocket. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pink rocket for the lovely girls. And this is mac and cheese Rabokki. So this is a combination of an instant noodle and rice cake known as Rabokki. So we're going to put them together, give them a spin in the microwave, and talk about current events and fun, happy, fun, rock and roll, good stuff. Viva Las Carnage. I don't know. Here's that line. Right? Ah. It's down there, yeah. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I'm feeling kind of goofy today. I ate a little bit of chicken, and that always does it. Chicken, for some reason, makes me feel goofy. But, oh, it sounds like a casino in here, guys. Don't eat that. They're playing on their tablets while I do my big show. Kind of worried. I don't know if Miles is feeling all that wonderful today. Hopefully he is. We've got about an hour to figure that one out. And this is, yeah, mac and cheese flavor. This is interesting. Not a standard flavor of Rabokki and noodle. As far as I can tell, I don't know. Maybe that's something they do now in South Korea, but I don't know. Where's that line? There. God, that's hard to see. Right there. Right frickin' there. Right there. Okay. And then it says, put the lid on it and microwave it for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I am putting down a freaking plate of safety. Taste the biscuit, taste the biscuit, yeah, yeah. 3. Whoa, no, no, and power level 1, 2, 3, there we go, and shamalama ding dong, you betcha. Alright, don't go changing, people, don't go changing. I was going to use my egg in the last one, then I realized that would have been a little bit too much, so no egg. No egg. And I already had my bang drinking, feeling kind of awake at 7:57 a.m. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. I keep getting, I'll go on my like 8 to 10 mile walk, and then on the way home I hit the store and carry home heavy stuff, and then it's like I carry it on this side or this side, but generally this side, and then like right here it just feels like I'm sore, and it really hurts. Today I gotta go get more beverages. It's a word I like to say. I taught my children that word very young. Papa, can I have my beverage? Yes, you can have a beverage. Rather formal. I always thought it'd be funny if a company said, this isn't just a beverage, this is a beverage with the edge. Get the edge. The beverage. But what I'm trying to do is they got a new deal at McDonald's with adult Happy Meals, which I thought on its own was just kind of disturbing. It's like, is that for a boy or for a girl? It's adult. But you get these little action figures, like little figurines. They've got Hamburglar, Grimace. I don't know. I'll leave that be. Hamburglar, Grimace, Birdie the Early Bird for those who like breakfast. Although you can't get one of these Happy Meals at breakfast. And then this Cactus Buddy flea market thing, which I have no idea what the crap this is. It's some brand that they decided was like, hey, this is a perfect tie-in with our thing. And all the characters have 4 eyeballs. I don't get it. I don't get it. But we went to 2 McDonald's yesterday, and the first one, we had to wait in line literally 30 minutes because we got in line, and then we're halfway through the line, and they got a sign that just says sold out. I'm like, what? Of course, I don't want any. All I want to do is get the Happy Meal. I'm not generally a big fan of McDonald's food. I like it, but I don't go out of my way to get it. But I want a Hamburglar and I want a Grimace, damn it. But apparently it's too much, even with the massive wonderment and amazingitude of the McDonald's supply chain to actually handle making that much Happy Meal toys. I don't know. The coordination just ain't there. I don't know. I went to one on my walk yesterday, and I was like, "Yeah, do you have these?" They're like, "Do what?" Oh no, we don't have. All right, lovely girls, here you go. This is gonna be freaking hot, painful, and hopefully delicious. This one came out better than it did last time. Last time, I don't think I got the lid down super tight. No, this one's still not very, it's not soupy. But it's definitely more moist. Do you like your food moist? I hope you do. Moistness. Moist. This is Rabokki. This is a rice cake tube. It is not a pink rocket. But we'll give this a try. It's going to be boiling hot. It's chewy. And it's yummy. It comes with a noodle. Mac and cheese, huh? This is very sweet macaroni and cheese, but that's kind of been what I've experienced before with macaroni and cheese flavored things from South Korea. Yeah, it's really sweet. Well, yeah, that doesn't strike. It doesn't smack of cheese. It smacks of sweet. I would almost go as far as to say like honey and cream cheese, not mac and cheese. But I mean, it's not bad. I mean, God, there's tabaki in it. Rabokki, I mean. The more you try to say the hard D/soft T, the more silly you sound. Rabokki. That's what happens. Alright. There is our bowl of Rabokki and ramen. I don't know, the way I heard the guy say it in an interview that I did, he like put more of an L on ramen. It was funny. What was that? I think that was for arirang. That was a while back. It's around somewhere. I should find it. I'm gonna use some more of this chicken that I got because it looks nice, tastes good. Mmm. So when I cut spring onion, generally for Korean applications, I like to use my slicer machine. You can do it sideways, angled cut, and that's what I see more often than not used in Korean cuisine. So, and some crushed red pepper, and that's that for this one. Little pink rocket coming right at your face. Hey. Well, thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, notify yourself of every new episode coming out. Looks like this will be coming out like January 22nd, 23rd, probably 23rd. Happy 2023. It's still October 5th here. So, yeah. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Taste the biscuit.